Hello, Group 1. This is the correction for your second midterm quiz in phonetics. So, in task 1, you were asked to identify the type of the tone used in each tone unit. You have 4 tone units, and then say in which context it occurred. That means to say why you've used that tone. So, we start with the first statement. It is, can you do it? I'm reading it without any tone. Okay. Now we notice the curved line or the tonic syllable. It goes from a mid-level to a very low level. So it is called a low fall tone. As you notice, it is a question. Which type? It is a yes-no question. But normally in ordinary yes-no questions, the tone goes from a mid to a very high. But now you have a low fall. It means a strong yes-no question, which is similar to orders. How we read it, we say, can you do it? Means yes or no. We need an answer. We move to the second statement, which is shut the door, please. Always I'm reading without using any tone. So we notice the curved line. It goes from a very low to a mid level. It rises from a very low to a mid-level. So this tone is called a low rise tone. So maybe you are confused if it is an order or a polite request. For orders, the tone goes from a mid to very low. So it's not an order, so it is a polite request. We move to the next statement, which is when did she come? As you notice, it is a question. It is a WH question. But is it a strong or ordinary? Of course, it is a strong WH question. Why? Because the tone goes from a mid to a very high, and the tone is on the WH word. So the tone is high rise tone, and the why, it is a strong WH question. We move to the last statement, which is D. He is a math teacher, not a history teacher. So we notice the curved line. It goes from a high level to a very low level. So this tone is called high fall tone. And the high fall tone is used in showing or in statement where we show special emphasis. Great. We move to the second task where you have 2 statements. You are asked to show the tone mark or stress mark, and then you draw the graphic representation, and after that you show the components of the tone unit. We start with the first statement. Did you enjoy your holiday? This is a yes-no question, ordinary yes-no question. So we look first for the tone unit or tonic syllable, sorry. The tonic syllable usually comes in the last lexical word. The last lexical word is holiday, whereas the stress syllable is ho. So we put the tone from a very mid to a very high because it is a yes-no question. Now, we start from the beginning. Did will have a dot, very low level. You will have a dot at a very low level. In, a dot, low level. Joy is the first stressed syllable, so it is a long dash at a high level. Then your unstressed syllable, a dot at a high level, because it follows the previous stressed syllable. And then we have done this. We go to the last 2 syllables. They are unstressed, so we put 2 dots at a high level. Now we move to the components. Under the tonic syllable, we put TS or the tonic syllable. All what comes after is called the tail. We start from the beginning. What do you have? Do you have an unstressed syllables? Yes, so they are called the prehead. Okay? Do we have a stressed syllable at the very beginning after the prehead? Yes. So the first stressed syllable is called the head. Do we have components between the head and TS? Yes. So it is called the B or body. We move to the second statement. It is, she's absent, the girl told her teacher. So it's a reported speech, direct speech. This is the statement, and these are an extra information, okay, or extra words. So where is the tonic syllable? It is the last lexical word in absent, so it is the first syllable. It is end the line and look to the tone mark. whereas what comes after the tail will have a stress mark or tone mark just below the words because they are after the tonic syllable and set at a low level. We move to the graphic representation. Where is the tonic syllable? It is ab, so it goes from a mid to a low level. And then, do we have unstressed syllables or syllables before? Yes, we have shiz. So we have a dot for shiz, very low level, and it is called the prehead. Sunt will have a low dot. The will have a low dot. Girl is a content word, so we'll have a long dash, low level. Told, long dash, low level. Her, low dot, low level. Teacher will have a dash and a dot, low level. All these, soon the girl told her teacher, is called the tail. Okay? We move to the last task, which is task 3, where you are given some words to transcribe in a careful and a casual transcription. So we start with the first word, which is exactly. Exactly. So the careful, the slow transcription is like this. Exactly. Whereas the slow is, or the casual is exactly. What do you notice? You notice that we have a consonant cluster in this word, which is que, te, le. And here we omit the te from the consonant cluster, and the process is called consonant elision. The brief explanation is elision of consonant te from the consonant cluster que, te, le. It is a consonant elision within word. We move to the next phrase, which is need you. Need you. This is the careful, slow transcription. The casual or slow, the rapid transcription is need you. What happened? The de with the you, they are fused together and they give us another sound, which is je. What is this process called? It is called palatalization. Okay, palatalization. It is the third type of assimilation. The brief explanation is the last consonant de in the first word fused with the first consonant je in the second word became je. The next word is clothes. Clothes. Here we have the S of the plural. The S of the plural, it becomes z. Okay, we have the same transcription. So what do we call this? It is called progressive assimilation. Progressive assimilation. The explanation, the final S of the plural form changes to z because of the previous voiced consonant, which is the. The next word is medicine. Medicine. And when it is casual or rapid speech, we omit the schwa and we say medicine. So what did we do? We've omitted the schwa, so it is called the vowel elision. The brief explanation is elision of the schwa in the medial post-tonic syllable. The last phrase is these sheep. These sheep becomes in the casual these sheep. So the z turns to je because of the sh. It is called regressive assimilation. The brief explanation, the consonant z changes to consonant je because of the following consonant sh. Thank you for your attention.